Presenting Sony WF-C500 truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds with 20 hours battery life in black. It is also available in green and orange. The box contains the cable and ear cushions and comes in a size of 10 x 5 x 7.5 centimeters and weighs 35 grams. These wireless earbuds come with a built-in microphone and easy button operation. They have a pocket-size, small and light portable case. Enjoy immersive sound with 360 reality audio and DSEE digital sound enhancement engine. The lithium-ion battery gives up to 20 hours of battery life, and a 10-minute quick charge gives up to an hour of playback time. Enjoy hands-free calling with a built-in microphone. The IPX4 water rating makes it splash and sweat resistant and suitable for exercising. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.